Hey folks, it's Eddie. I have X15 wireless earbuds, and in this video I will show you how to set them up. Okay, so I have taken the case out of the box and this is how it looks like. Once you take it out of the box for the first time, you're not going to see anything here. That's okay. So just to show you the case, this is how it looks like. The case itself supports wireless charging and you can charge it via USB Type-C charging port here. And once you take it out of the box, the first thing you want to do is just to open the box. So let's just open it like this. And once you do that, you're going to see here the percentage of the battery that is inside of the case, right? Because the case itself is going to charge the earbuds. So earbuds have their own batteries and the case has its, well, the case is its own battery. So here you'll see, actually let me close it, and here you see the level of the battery of the case. And you can see that it's charging both left and right earbud. Now let's take a look how we can connect them to the smartphone. So I'm going to take my phone here, put it here close to the earbuds. And there are a few ways you can do that. You can just scroll down and go to your Bluetooth, press and hold on a Bluetooth icon, or you can go to the settings and then Bluetooth. So here you have an option to pair your devices. So for me, I have to tap here. For you, perhaps it's going to show the list of devices right away. So if the box is opened, you should be able to connect your phone with the earbuds, and you can see them here. First on the list is X15. So once the phone finds them, just tap here and wait for pairing. Of course, I need to enable this pair, and that's pretty much it. So you can see I have established connection here, and it also, I can see the battery level of the earbuds. So this is really cool. And that's it. You can take them out and use them. It's really that simple. The earbuds themselves have their own battery. They're going to last to about 5 hours. After that, you're going to put them in the case and then let the case charge them. If the case needs charging, then you'll need to charge the case too. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to set up these earbuds. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. And please hit that like button, it really means a lot. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.